In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to make a simple event registration form for an event that is coming up soon. And I'm actually going to grab the information from another related event. So basically, this is an existing form, very simple, not a lot going on, but nonetheless, we're going to create one. So first, I'm going to basically want to edit. Well, first let's start with, we've got all these sort of template forms up here. The one that will most closely resemble what I'm trying to do is the event registration, so we'll just click on that. And there we go. So we'll start off with the title, and on the one I'm duplicating, it's called Alpha Day, and then it's got the date. So the date of the event that we're doing is the 26th. May 26th, which is a Saturday. Okay, so that's correct, and then I need to just copy this little bit of information here. And we'll replace that. And obviously we're going to need to go and change the date of our event. And we want the time to finish at 4 for our event. And the location is going to be different. It's actually St. Nicholas. Finish. And then a little bit more specific. The rooms. And then we'll just double check this food great. Discussion is about. Okay, so pretty good on that info there. And first and last name would be the first field. So we're just going to edit this. This just says name, so we'll be a little bit more specific. So we get the attendee's first and last name. Okay. And then we've got a option next. We're actually going to remove the email. So just delete. We've basically selected this section and then just click the garbage can to delete it. And organization we're not going to need. Days to attend we're not going to need. Now we did have radio buttons that we do need, so we'll just kind of use this existing one, but we'll X out all but 2 options. And our first option, yes, I will be there. And the second option, no thank you. And we need the title for that field. Now we can also make this a required or not required, and it's just this toggle down here. So we want to make sure that everybody's filling out this information. Put an asterisk beside that. Got an asterisk. Oh, I guess it does it automatically. So we don't need to put it in there. Okay. And what else do we have? Any comments or questions? So what we could do is we're just going to basically change this existing section here. Just the drop down specifies this is a checkbox function for this section, and we just want to change it to a short answer. I think that's what they've used here. And we'll copy the question they have here. Any comments or questions? And that we don't need to make required. So I'm going to deselect the toggle here. Slide it to the left. Yeah, so that's basically it. So if we wanted to add a question, you've got the option here. You can add just a title. Like that's basically, this is just a title up here. We can add images in here as well. And I think I'm probably going to do that. So I'm just going to quickly get the image that I want to use prepared. Okay, so now I have prepared the image. And I'm just going to click on Add Image. You can either drag it right into there or just select it from your local hard drive. Or flash stick. Okay. So there's our image. You can give it a title if you want, or just leave it blank. I think I'll just leave it blank. There's enough going on there to explain what it's about. And that's basically it. Now, if you want to preview what it's going to look like, just click on this preview icon, the eye up here. And there, it's going to show you basically what the end users are going to see. That's what they'll see. And then you can just click on Edit to go back to edit that form. Now, if you want to use this this form, you want to basically hyperlink it from a website or social media account post. When you're in preview mode, you can basically just copy the URL that's up here, and then you've got your hyperlink. Now, as you start to get people that are registering, you've got the option here when you're logged into your Gmail account in Google Forms to click on responses, and you'll basically get a nice list of all the people who have submitted the form. This little icon here is a spreadsheet that you can export. So lots of flexibility, pie charts and what have you, just basically dependent on what sort of questions you have. So it's a real easy way to keep track of numbers for different categories as well. So anyway, we'll go back to the questions, and that's basically it.